Your Gulfstream 300 is designed for a wide range of middle-mile fiber installations. It combines the power of an electric tractor drive with compressed air in a compact, reliable blower system with portability and power. To help us get started, I've asked one of our engineers, Mike, to walk us through the different components that make up your new blowing system.
Thank you, Jason. The Gulfstream 300 comes with everything you need to get up and running with your cable installation. Here we've got our user guide and DVD manual. Here we have our duct pack kit with all the duct packs for your range of duct. This is our seal kit, which includes all the seals for your range of cable you'll be installing. Here we have our Gulfstream 300 blowing unit. This comes with 2 rechargeable batteries and the battery clip. The battery charger is included, and the power cable to connect the batteries to the Gulfstream 300 is also included. Next, we have our claw air hose adapter here. And we also include a AC wall power supply. All of this in a durable foam-filled carrying case. And we also include a handy tripod for installation convenience. Everything you need to get your cable installed.